Hello everyone. What is the estimated average salary of a cleaner in Palestine? The average annual gross salary is $4,200, or roughly $350 per month. After deductions, the average net salary is $3,906, about $326 monthly. In Gaza City, the annual gross salary is higher at $4,956, or roughly $413 per month. The net salary there is $4,609, about $384 monthly. Experience, the type of building, and work shifts can change a cleaner's pay. Hotel, office, and industrial cleaning jobs may offer different rates. These figures are estimates, and actual pay can vary by employer and location. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.